Anybody who's handled fresh cannabis flowers has had this issue to deal with. Dry nugs. This has been sitting in there for a couple months. It's cured nicely. It's starting to get a little bit dried out and crumbly. Here's a free, easy fix. Take a regular grocery bag, avoid the printed area. We're going to take and cut a couple strips out of that. Take that strip of paper and you run it underneath some cold running water, fresh water. Let it sit here a second and watch. You'll see what happens. Water is absorbed into the paper. So you take your container, you add the strip that has been wet and soaked to the point where it's like a damp wick. And you just add your crispy bud that needs to get fixed. Put a lid on it. Tighten that up. You'll see results in 2 to 6 hours.